The 2022 Trailblazer RS is Chevrolet's newest small crossover that's loaded with style and function. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, Chevrolet, and then select Trailblazer. We make it easy to find what you want, fast. Taking a page from Chevrolet's new Blazer 3-row crossover, the Trailblazer follows a similar formula, but in a smaller package. This RS model is the sportiest trim of the lineup, with machined 18-inch wheels, dual exhaust outlets, and blacked-out emblems. Our test vehicle included several options, such as crossbars, mud mats, and a couple feature packages. As you see it here, you're looking at an MSRP of $32,150, including destination. Under the hood is a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. This pushes a peak 155 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque to the available on-demand all-wheel drive system through a standard 9-speed automatic transmission. EPA rates economy at 26 miles to the gallon in town and 30 on the highway. In the back, the Trailblazer has up to 25.3 cubic feet behind the second row. Fold the seats flat for up to 54.4 cubic feet. Under the floor is a spare tire and all the necessary tools. Second row has plenty of head and legroom for adults, plus available AC and USB power for devices. Up front, drivers are treated to a thoroughly modern experience. The tech package includes an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with available XM satellite radio, apps, and OnStar integration. Our test vehicle also came with wireless charging pad and wireless connectivity through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Sound is provided by a Bose 7-speaker system. The driver's seat has 10-way power adjustments in addition to heating. For 2022, the steering wheel is also heated at this trim level. Drivers have several modes to select while driving. All-wheel drive can be engaged on the fly with a push of a button. This immediately sends power to the back wheels when you need it. If you choose to leave it on, it will stay in all-wheel drive mode even when you power cycle the vehicle. For a punchier throttle response, select the Sport driving mode and you can really feel the torque kick in. The Trailblazer RS is a nice package for somebody looking for a sporty option that still maintains the useful utility of a compact crossover. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation Chevrolet dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Chevy dealer today.